Sorry guys, I didn't do a video in a while. So let's play Slither.io. Sorry if my voice is like weird because I just woke up. I didn't do a video in like a week. I don't know why. So let's play Slither.io. Okay, let's circle this guy. And then circle this guy. There hasn't been a new skin in a while. I don't think there was. If there was, then I don't know about it. Are you serious? That's like the tiniest guy ever. Okay. Oops. Okay. Which guy should I kill? This guy? No? No. Okay. This guy. What? 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 How does he do this? Okay. Oops. I'm gonna keep going around him till I can constrict him. Just like that. Okay. So now I'm gonna constrict more than one. Okay. Yep. That was pretty easy. Or you know, how did that just happen? I was like 6,200. I don't know how that just happened. Let's change my skin. Okay. Wait. Is this a new one? I think it is. Okay. I'm gonna play with this one. What the? What is he doing? That's my food. Oops. Oh, and by the way, guys, I'm probably gonna be doing like 1 to 2 videos a day. I'm gonna try to do 2. If I don't do a video in a day or week, then I'm probably really busy. Oops. Okay. Let's kill this guy. What can... Oh, no. Good. And this. And why not this? Oops. That was bad. Okay. Circle. That was good. That was really good. Double kill. Triple kill. Double, triple kill. Why did he steal everything? Okay. Again. No. I was gonna kill him. Or should I say pop him? Pop him is kind of the word for this because it's like a balloon that pops out confetti that you can eat. Almost. Not like that. He pops, and this is like the balls that we eat, that I eat. It's like the confetti. For example, let's go kill this guy, and I'm eating him, and he just popped out this stuff. Oh no. Okay. So this video is probably gonna be like 9 minutes. So yeah. That was such a big guy, or not that big, but a pretty sizable guy. The Jacksepticeye guy. Aye. Oh, this guy's big compared to other people. Okay. Cool. Oh, what?
In Dragon City, there are hundreds of dragons waiting.
How did he just do that? Okay. He's an ant. And he's brown, I can tell. This guy. Okay. You know when you circle, you're most likely to get double kills instead if you do what I just did. Here's one more game and I'm getting on the video. Oh, master of... Are you... Oh god. Why do I always speed? Anyways, thanks guys for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe. So yeah, bye bye.